new collection called Flaunt Your True Colors. That's what the mood is like, and it's inspired by every young girl who has different moods and personalities. So that's why, as the name suggests, Flaunt Your True Colors. And obviously Atya here is wearing a new outfit from new collection. Oops. That's my skills are not very good when it comes to Atya. She is a young girl who's an urban Indian, and she's a fashion icon in her own right. So that's why Atya for the launch of.
Why? Actually, I don't think you should take it too seriously. I don't think you should take that label too seriously. And what I love about it is that you're allowed to make mistakes, and I think it's really important that you learn from fashion and you experiment, and I think it's an extension of your personalities. I don't understand fashion, but I understand more of style because it's your own and you make it unique. So yeah, I think I prefer the word style now.
Yeah, style. I think style is like an honest expression of yourself.
Exactly.
And when you take a fashion trend and kind of interpret it in your own way and the way you would like to wear it is when you can really call yourself stylish.
I used to think of it as pressure, but now I don't. I think everybody has a right to their own personality, and you have your own journey, and I think that's important to know. And some things go well, some things don't, and there's a good and bad to each side, so you just have to embrace it.
So when I started, everybody had these really high expectations that this is, thank you, that this is Neeta Lulla's daughter and she's going to do like these heavy, beautiful Indian couture clothes, and I came up with a totally different collection. It was totally breadth and it was very casual, relaxed, laid back, which was so different from hers. So I think that's where you find your mark. You need to know what you like to do, and when you kind of show what you like to do, and you show your personality through your outfits and your collections.
I remember when you had that collection of the crop top and the skirts, the matching sets, and everybody went crazy.
Yeah, I think it became like a signature.
Yeah, it really did. I remember.
It became my signature style, and everybody wanted crop tops and skirts after that. So it's great to like create your own.
Then I'm actually a jhalli at heart.
I think everybody knows I'm a pinkaholic, but I think nobody knows that I love to meditate. I'm like an ISKCON follower and I love to meditate, so people don't know.